didn't have tequila.
Platinum band, and this time we're gonna get funky.
I didn't have that much to drink. This is my personality. Shit.
I took a shot and then I was opening up Amazon Prime packages that I ordered for myself, and then the doorbell rang and then this showed up.
There. Can I just keep it?
No.
Okay.
Natalie said I've been playing too many video games, so she buried my controller somewhere in the backyard. How's your quarantine going? Nat, here you go. For you to stay motivated.
Shut up.
Genuinely curious about this. How many of you like break the chocolate off the strawberry and eat it that way? Because it's the only way I've been eating some of these. That makes no sense, right? No. This is called Breakfast with Natalie. Okay. Huh? Guys, look at that. This is how they build houses on hills. That's ridiculous. That is absolutely insane. It looks like it'd slide right off. Oh my god, I'm like baffled by this. That's so cool.
Scotty.
I was gonna jump in the pool, but I dipped my toes in and I got cold feet.
I get stood up in my first one. This girl said you can't spell quarantine without a U-R-Q-T. My dream dinner guest is David Dobrik. Oh, what is that in your teeth?
Piercing.
Wow. Guys, I just did a bunch of virtual dates on Bumble and it was great. I had a great time. It really helped me pass the time. Nerf was in them. He really helped me out, right, Nerf? You had a great time. He's a good wingman. And I'm going to do more. So swipe up and download Bumble.
My sandwich.
You should do it in the blues on it too.
You're literally the Nintendo Switch.
Boo!
Guys, I have something to tell you guys. I'm pregnant. April Fools.
Quarantine has made me alive. Ma'am, your motherhood is showing. Actually, it looks kind of shitty. Guess what? It doesn't taste good either, so. Here's some quarantine thoughts. I just had coffee, and this is who I am, so get over it. I'm eating salsa with a spoon. It's like tomato soup. No, but here's the idea. Take your chips, put it in your salsa, stir it up, eat it.
It's like cereal and milk, but a little more psychopathic. There are people, and by people, I mean Jordan Peele, working on
Oscar award winning movies that will come out in 2022 right now. What did you come up with in quarantine, Liza? You ever heard of chips and salsa? That was me. Anywho's and Susan, I hope you're having a great day. I have an idea. Bloody Marys, but instead of tomato juice, salsa. I just ate this whole thing in one sitting, standing, whatever. Hello? Are you okay? You're freaking out over my ideas? I know.
Did anybody hear me? If they did, please confirm.
Yeah, this is day 22. I just turned 24 yesterday. I turned 27 next week. Woo!
I'm not okay, I'm not okay. I need a friend, but nobody touch my hand. Don't touch my hand.
Sorry, I know I just lost my entire poo-poo caca, but swipe up to get some current information and updates about COVID-19. Okay, please. I think I'm okay. Yeah, no. Hold on.
And it went like
a little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita.
The assistants and introducing Iron Man. The best part about calling her Iron Man is that when she misbehaves, I can call her by her real name, and that's Tony Bark. Tony Bark, get your fucking ass over here.
Guys, don't tell Natalie, but we're eating all of her food. Keep going, Iron Man. Keep going.
Good. Oh God. Oh God.
West LA Target, y'all. Come get it. There's enough. There's enough. Come get it. Waiting in the alley to pick up my mom's medication. Pharmacy doesn't let you in the front door. So, yeah. Feel like I'm doing a drug deal. Just picking up blood pressure meds. You know what I mean? But this is the handstand challenge.
I believe in you.
It's my team right there.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Come on, you got it, you got it, you got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
What's a hoodie? God damn it. Oh. Man, I don't know if I can do it.
No, you can.
I can't do it, man.
Want me to take your beanie off?
No.
Fine.
It's part of the process. I can't do it, man. Just kidding, I got it.
It's crazy how ignorant people are about this shit. If you guys are going outside, big fuck you, man. Because you're putting so many people's lives at risk. You're putting so many old people's lives at risk. People with underlying health problems. Big fuck you to anybody that...
Taking a poll here. Is Beauty and the Beast scary or no? TJ says no. I say yes. It's so scary. Please vote.
So that picture I took last time on my sister's bed pissed her off so bad. I I decided to put it on a shirt. I'm recreating the same thing right now. Let's see what my sister thinks. Sir, come here. She's walking in. Hey guys, so me and Susie want to start a podcast. What should we name it? We're thinking about naming it Between Two Whales, but that might be too weird. So what should we name it? Guys, look, this is completely real. So me and my sister were looking for whale costumes.
That's why!
Yeah, seriously. And look what comes up.
For Jonah.
Whale costumes for Jonah. What in the hell?
No one actually challenged me with this, but I like to include it. So here we go. Okay. One arm. I said one arm. 2 arms. 2 arms. Over the head. Over the body. And time. My face is so red. All right, that's it.
My mind goes. My mind goes. When I talk. My mind goes. If I
I could speak, I would say that I'm tongue-tied and twisted up. Yeah, I'm insecure with my words and wondering if I am good enough.